Hello, welcome back to Blender Sushi Live Noding. We're gonna continue from the last time. So Spreadshock has a bunch of nodes that's dealing with UV. Last time we talked about find UV coordinates on surface. Today we're gonna talk about set UV color. So set UV color. What is this? We need two inputs of data: point on mesh and also this color. And we also need to specify the objects. So let's save this first. I will save it as paint on UV demo. Save. So let's delete what we don't need. We can keep Suzanne. We have 4 Suzanne because we have 4 empty right here. That's if we play back, remember, if we move the empty along the UV, the flat UV, Suzanne will kind of travel around this guy right here. Okay, so let's delete some of this. Keep one one Suzanne. Okay, so we want to do set UV is like a kind of like a painting, right? So let's actually do the painting on this guy. So texture painting on the sphere. By default, it says missing data. We cannot paint. We need to use we need to create a UV first. We need to create an image. So let's do that. The image, let's make it small for now. 100 by 100. And let's open up UV image editor. This guy, if we specify, it's gonna be our 100 by 100 pixel image. You can always change it here at any time. So this is cool. So you can do the painting. Painting on the sphere, it's gonna, of course, translate to the UV. That's a basic knowledge. And now we want to do this procedurally using our Suzanne. So how do we do that? It's actually pretty easy. Save this again. Select our objects. Select the image. We need to specify point on mesh. If we actually do this, maybe reset our color. And let's try using our coordinates there. 0, 0, 0. Playback. Let's see if I can paint anything. So UV actually goes between 0 and 1. Right? So we need to keep the number between 0 and 1. If we are using random number between 0 and 1 in floating value, plug this into this point on mesh. Oh, this is random number is not gonna work. We need random vector. So random vector, you need to, of course, you need to be careful because random vector value is not between 0 and 1. If you check it already, let's see. So that's between -1 and 1. We need to change, kind of offset it. Oh well, to keep it simple, we're not gonna use random vector. We're gonna use this find UV coordinates on surface, point on mesh. So based on the position of Suzanne, which is represented by the UV, now it's gonna do painting on this object. It's pretty cool, right? So let's reset this. Let's trace across. You can see it's doing it in real time. Now I can draw this cross, and everything works. So let's say we want to, instead of just white color, we want to use different color. Let's use color in MK1. Use the alpha with Blender 2.79 with Python 3.6. You actually have ability to paint with alpha on the vertex, so keep that in mind. Let's use a frame, plug into the hue, multiply it. So what do we have now? We have some color like a spectrum color, goes between red to red. Let's reset this once again. So if the image size is too big, it's gonna be kind of slow, but 100 by 100 pixel is pretty fast. So you can see now I'm painting in color. Maybe I can change the size as well. Or actually, no. This guy is only painting on a pixel. File, save as. You can go higher. 200 by 200. Yeah, it's a pixel painting, but it's kind of neat that you're able to do this. Let's try. So this is manual painting. Oops, okay, it crashes. Anyhow, don't do that. If you painting procedurally, you should just continue painting procedurally. So there's an example here by Spreadshock developers. This is, you can just download. This is more advanced version. Also kind of interesting. Seems okay. This one seems to be painting. It's like pixel painting, but it's for the whole surface, so you can have more surface area. This one project point from UV to objects. So this one kind of spraying image, I think. So a lot of more advanced example by Spreadshock developer. You can download it here at Spreadshock GitHub. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.